Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go.
Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys were following along and you seen my last video, you can see I'm picking right up from where I left off. And that's, I did the intercooler install on the 335. Very simple. But today is the day we are actually going to knock out the downpipes. This should be very fun. It's not going to be easy. But my boy's here to help. And I think that together, I've done it enough times. I'm pretty sure I can knock it out, especially with another set of hands. As you can see, this is the Beamer house. We got an E90 335 and E90 LCI 335. We got the G30 B58. We got this piece of crap, which is a, a F01 with the N54 V8 twin turbo. And then we have my 6-speed manual E90 335 that is about to be super, super fun when it's all said and done. Let's put it that way. So stay tuned and come hop right in with me on how you do downpipes on a N54. It's definitely not fun. And as you guys can see, these are the Catless VRSF downpipes. These are probably one of the best fitting downpipes that you can buy for your N54, and they definitely make install a lot easier due to the size. I would say, in my opinion, they are definitely a restriction point. You can buy other downpipes, like arm downpipes, that are going to be a true 2.5 all the way. These shrink down to a 2-inch right here at the bottom. Definitely, like I said, it's going to make it 10 times easier for install, but it's also going to be extremely difficult, if you have the other ones that are bigger. So there's pros and cons, but at the same time, it's going to get the job done either way, and they're pretty sexy. So right now my boy is just unplugging the upstream O2 sensors, and basically the rest of the job's down at the bottom. You can kind of see in here, barely, not really, but we got 2 turb skis down there, little baby Schnells, and we're going to get some wastegate rattle for sure when we're done. So let's get into it. Okay, so as of right now, we have the car jacked up. O2 sensors were unplugged, the wheels off. Right now, I started on the exhaust bolts. I got them off. They were 12 mils right here. Put some PV blaster on there. And then we got the rack and pinion drop down right now. That's going to be, where was it, the E10? What is it?
And then a 5/8 on top.
No, E14. It's an E14 and a 5/8 bolt that goes through to take off the rack and pinion, and then you just drop it, move it out of the way. And that's going to give us the room to get where we need to get to start messing with the turb skis. And yeah, so I'll bring you guys back when we get to the next step. I'm going to have to loosen this exhaust bracket so the exhaust will come and pull away. And then we'll go to the next spot. Choo! Like I said, this is definitely fun. Got my boy right here working. We're making some progress. Let me show you guys where we're at right now. All right, so
It's like there's not even tension on it.
Coming in here, so you guys can see where we are at. He is currently loosening the back one. I got the front one off and the 2 O2 sensors done, and he's just spinning off the last one. Let's see if I can give you guys there you go. You guys can see there's the turbos.
One.
There's the other one. Okay, let me see. So there we go. So you can see where the O2 was in on both, and the V-bands what we're working on now. So yeah, not very big space to work on. Very, very tight.
Not fat finger friend.
So yeah, just so you guys have an idea. Pretty fun stuff. So it's a 13 mil bolt on the V-band bolts, and just regular O2 sensors. Other than that, they're pretty simple to get to. It's just working it, and then you're gonna need to use a pry bar to pop the V-band and then move it out of the way. And like I said, just from the other views, you can see there's just literally pretty much almost no room. It's a very awkward seating position. And we're like gym monkeys.
There we go.
There we go. This is coming out. Definitely a DIY. Definitely not one you want to do. I mean, I guess it's not the end of the world, but it's definitely not something you want to. I wouldn't want
It's
to.
not something you want to go out and do every day. That's for sure.
Yeah.
I don't know how mechanics do it.
I don't know. My hands hurt just thinking about it. And there we go. Second V-band bolt is out. Shoo! So now use the pry bar and you just pop the V-band. See if we can see it. Okay, so yeah. There we go. And it's always easy to pop one and popping the top part's a pitch. Alright, are you out?
Yep.
Alright, now.
It's off of it.
Okay, so now we just need to wiggle the downpipes out. Yay! Now we're working the exhaust
It's about as loose
out
as
of the
it
way.
gets, so
Okay.
we just got to break it off the downpipes.
And
They're
yeah.
still attached.
Alright. If you want to get the mallet, we can tap the. We can tap that. Alright. I'll come back to you guys once we have these out. We're gonna have to work them out. Alright, so as you can see, they're down. The issue was there was these little bracket right here with 12 mil bolts on it. There we go. Now we're just gonna clean up the area, look underneath here a little bit. Then I'll have to transfer the O2s and then start putting them back on. But they're down. Jeez. So as you guys can see, we have the new downpipes with the bottom O2 sensors swapped over. And then we're going to be reusing the same gaskets. And then I'll just have to, I have some bolts I'm going to be using since the original bolts are still in the head of the stock downpipes. So I have aftermarket bolts I got. And right now Alec is just removing another heat shield plate. They're just in the way pretty much. And yeah, just nice and dirty. That was fun to wiggle them out. You can see him down there. Hi, how's it going? How you doing? Hi, how you doing today? buddy. Buddy. Hell yeah, she's coming together. Shoo! So a little intermission. The mail just came, and for this one I had ordered mirror caps. So I'm gonna go ahead and just install them real quick and show you guys. So here's the mirror cap. Makes it look like an M3. There's the factory. And here we go. Literally just in here and just pop it off. In actual time. Come on. Oh wow. This one's fighting me. Cheap plastic. There we go. So there you go. Nothing broke. No tabs broken. See? It's off. Stock. The new one. Just cup it. When you cup it, line up the brackets. Oh, let me just. I'll clip it on right now. Let's see. Trying to do it with one hand. It's being a pain. All right, I'm gonna set you down. Okay, yeah, so that's it. That's on. At the same time, my boy just is installing his new eBay M3 front grills. About to make his shit look way better. Did you get the mirror caps too?
They're coming in.
Oh, you got the M3 caps coming in? So yeah, so there we go. Stock non-LCI mirror. This is the M3 LCI mirror. And then he got, this is the LCI M3 grill versus the pre-LCI M3 grill. A little different. So, fire. So much better, all murdered out black. I like that. Very, very nice. Very nice, buddy. Very, very nice.
Now we gotta paint my wheels.
I told you, you murder.
Paint my wheels.
We
Just
can
murder it out.
Yeah, murder it out, and then just what color? What color? We can go Tiffany like on every other one, or
Yeah,
what?
I'm gonna do the brake calipers. I already got teal at home. So
Yeah, we'll just murder it out. It'd be sick.
yeah, I think that would be better. I gotta get rid of the chrome.
Get the side blinkers.
I know I need.
They're only $10.
I know.
And hey, and they sell the. We could get the what do you call it too? They sell the cover.
Yeah, that's all I actually want to get that.
Then you just be all black everything. Jeez. All right, let's get back to doing the downpipes.
Yeah, it doesn't look better.
It looks 10 times better. Hell yeah. All right. All right, so now we're gonna hop back on the E90 and let's finish up these downpipes. We're losing daylight, so I don't think they'll be that hard. The hardest part's gonna be getting the V-band back on. And once the V-band's back on, everything kind of just bolts up. So let's get into it. Sheesh. Are you ready? Yeah. It's gonna be fun. All right. Oh, we got my boy Rap God over there eating Hawaiian barbecue. Shoo. How you doing today? All right. So right here, as you guys can see, we got one downpipe in, and we're currently trying to get the second downpipe up. That the V-band is on and tight. So now we're just trying to finesse this one in, and then we'll have to get it on the V-band, and then O2s, and then that's almost done after that. All right, I just wanted to bring you guys back now. You can see that the downpipes are officially in, tightened down, and O2 sensors are back in. So now I gotta tighten up the exhaust, and look at that, VRSF, they line up perfectly, they fit perfect. Then the rack and pinion, and then we'll be almost done. Okay, and just like that, same day still, it's all put back together. All right, so there it is. She's back on the ground, bumper's back on. So now I'm just gonna flash the tune and go put some E85 in it real quick, and then I'll be back with you guys. We'll see how it goes. Okay, you guys, and we're here at the gas station. First fill up, as you can see. We are on E. Let's go. LCI on. Yeah, we're on E85. First fill up. See how she does. She's running a little rough. But I already know it needs a high pressure fuel pump, low pressure fuel pump, and injectors. So I don't expect a whole lot right now when we do our first pull. Probably gonna misfire. So there we go, $28. And now we gonna switch. Right now you pick it up.
It'll say.
Yeah. I just pick it up and start. And 91, it'll say, watch, cash price, and then you're gonna go. Yep. There you go. Oh, dang. Shoo! I'll give it that, but yeah, so we're filling up the rest of the tank so we can get this E50 blend. All right, so we're going through the neighborhood right now. I just blended the E85. We're gonna get our first pull right now. Car's warmed up. Don't expect much. It's most likely just gonna misfire. I highly doubt that we'll get a full pull, but I have the stuff to fix what that could cause, so, but well, you never know. Maybe we get lucky. But right now we're on an E50 Stage 2 Plus with full bolt-ons, E85. Let's go. And we're just gonna roll into first gear. Here we go. Oh shit!
Damn, son!
Oh wow! I didn't expect that. We didn't miss. Suspension made me feel nervous. Wow.
Now you can try an anti-light pull.
How do we do anti-light again?
The stock.
Oh,
Or volume down.
volume down?
Yeah.
On first gear?
Yeah. Or second. I would do second. Do 40, like a 40.
First gear.
Okay.
Alright, here we go. Volume down?
Yeah.
Oh! Shit! that was ice skating, baby! That was ice skating!
Oh my goodness.
It was hit the shimmy!
Oh my goodness. Alright, I gotta go on E85 now.
That shimmied, baby!
I gotta go on E85.
I can't believe it hasn't misfired yet.
I know.
God damn. 3,500.
No, that's pretty
All right,
good.
we'll do one little more anti-lag pull, and then we'll do a second gear.
Second gear 40.
Yeah, because we can't go that fast right here. Turn it. There we go. Here we go. Third. Oh, yeah. Oh. I just let off.
Dude, the thing just keeps pulling.
Yeah. That's awesome. I'm very, very happy. Hell yeah, that was what we wanted, and still no half engine. What are the odds, bro? What are the odds? All right, you guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys freaking like that. That was super fun, super exciting. My boy definitely came in clutch on helping me get this done. We went hand in hand on it. The pools, oh my God. I'm waiting for that half engine. I know it's coming, but again, like I said, I have a bunch of stuff I'm gonna be doing to it. I got Vano sensors, boost sensors. I have oil, spark plugs, coils, injectors. So I got all that. Plus I got other mods coming for this vehicle, so you guys need to stay tuned. The interior is gonna go insane. And I have wrap. I already picked a color. It's going down. Oh yeah, high pressure fuel pump in the front of the engine, and the low pressure's coming. So you guys stay tuned. I can definitely smell an oil leak. So a little oil leak. It's a BMW, but I can smell a coolant leak. And so I'm gonna need to address that. And I need some new wheels. Overall, I think she's a keeper, man. I really, really like it. She's really ugly and she runs really strong. And for what I'm in this car, it's kind of sad if you think about it. Because man, I'm just happy. I'll tell you guys that much. It's ugly, but she's a runner and she's a project, and I'm very happy. So you guys just stay tuned. And there's a lot coming for this little baby right here. And like I said, the other 335s we have on the channel, there's some stuff coming with those. But yeah, that's I'm going to end it right here. I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go. Yo!